Here we have find the area bounded by the following curves. So we can first do a little sketch. If we have the line y is equal to 2x, that would be a straight line of slope 2 that goes through the origin, where y is equal to 0 would be the x-axis, and where x is equal to 3 would be this line here. So we're looking for this region, which means that we can do the integral from where x is equal, right here at this point, where y is equal to 0, x is also equal to 0. So we'll go from 0 to, or the lower x value would be 0, the higher x value would be 3, that bounds the region, and the function is 2x dx. So all we need to do is evaluate this definite integral. So this would be 2x, add 1 to the exponent, divide by the new exponent, which then needs to be evaluated from 0 to 3. The 2's on top and bottom can cancel, so this gives us x squared evaluated from 0 to 3. If we plug in the top number first, that would be 3 squared minus plugging in the bottom number. 0 squared is 9 minus 0, which is 9.